Hello, my name is Emma, and welcome to Design Patterns in Minutes by dpatterns.com. Now, we're exploring the Memento design pattern, a pattern that allows you to capture an object's state and restore it later, without exposing its internal details. Think of it like the undo button in your favorite text editor. Every time you make a change, the program saves a snapshot of your document. When you hit undo, it restores that earlier version. You don't need to know how the editor stores the text internally. You just get your previous state back. That's exactly what the Memento pattern does. In software, objects often change over time. Text documents, game states, form data, configuration settings, and more. Sometimes you need a safe way to roll back to a previous version without breaking encapsulation. The Memento pattern achieves this by separating the responsibilities into three roles. The originator is the object whose state you want to save. The memento is a snapshot of that state, and the caretaker is responsible for storing and managing these mementos, like a history list or undo stack. The beauty of this pattern is that the originator is the only one who knows how to extract and restore its own state. The caretaker simply holds the mementos but doesn't care what's inside. This keeps the internal data private while still allowing state restoration when needed. Let's look at a real-world analogy. Imagine a photographer taking pictures. The camera is the originator, the photo is the memento, and the photo album is the caretaker. The photographer can take a picture at any moment, then later flip back to a previous one, without knowing or caring about how the image is stored on the memory card. This design is incredibly useful in applications that need undo and redo, version control, game checkpoints, or even transaction rollbacks. It provides a structured way to save and recover past states safely. The main advantage of the Memento pattern is that it preserves encapsulation. The internal details of the object remain hidden. It also makes your system more robust, because you can restore previous states after an error or user action. Of course, there's a trade-off. Saving too many mementos can consume memory, so you need to balance how often and how much you store. To summarize, the Memento pattern lets you capture and restore an object's state without exposing its internals. It's perfect for undo systems, history tracking, and any situation where safe rollbacks are needed. Thank you for listening to Design Patterns in Minutes with me, Emma. For the full explanation, examples, and diagrams, visit dpatterns.com.